Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to set up Claude Cowork. So there's the chat feature and then there's also Cowork, which if you are paying for Claude is something you'll want to take advantage of. Before we jump into how to enable Claude Cowork, there are a few requirements. First off, you do need to have a paid Claude subscription. So if you're running on the free plan, Cowork will not be available to you. You need to have either a Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise license. And Cowork only works on Mac OS or Windows. It is not available on the web or mobile. And you do need an active internet connection throughout the session. So those are the first three things. You'll also find those items on the Claude support article here. They have under here, get started, the requirements. So those three are listed there. Now, there are three other things when I enabled Cowork on my laptop that I had to do. So one is you'll need to have local admin privileges. So if you're a standard user on your computer and don't have local admin credentials, you're not going to be able to set up Cowork. The next thing is you need to enable the virtual machine platform feature in Windows. So virtual machine platform can be enabled two different ways. So when you open up Claude, when you go to the Cowork tab, generally it'll say here to enable virtual machine platform. So I'll just show you a screenshot when I was setting mine up. So it says virtual platform not available, machine platform not available. So if you enable it, it will use a PowerShell script to install it, and then you need to reboot your computer. You can enable it through Claude, or if you prefer, you can search in your menu for turn Windows features on or off, which will open up this settings box here, and you just check the box beside virtual machine platform. The virtual machine platform needs enabled. It will require a reboot and will enable the features for Cowork to be able to run. And the last thing I found was when I went to the Cowork tab, it said my application was out of date. Now I installed my application within the last few days, but it still said it was out of date. I had to go to the Claude download section, and instead of using this download button here or this download button here, I scrolled down to the desktop version here under Claude Cowork Surfaces. So you may need to uninstall your current version of Claude and reinstall using an updated download underneath the Claude Cowork Surfaces. And once you have those items enabled, you should be able to go to Cowork and begin working. Now, if you still are unable to get Cowork to work, you are able to go to the support site, which I will link here in the description. And they have this little Claude Cowork Readiness Check program. So you can download it for ARM 64, x64, or Mac OS. And if we click it, it'll download this little Cowork Readiness Check, which I've done before, but basically it just runs a little readiness script and will say, hey, which requirements your computer does not meet. So in this case, I did not have the virtual machine platform enabled, which it actually tells you here how to fix it as well. So if you're unable to get Cowork working after these 6 steps, I would recommend running their readiness check and to see what else you may be missing. If you have any questions, please let those below in the comments. I'm happy to help. Or if you have any other video ideas or questions surrounding Claude, I'd be happy to cover Claude more in depth. Feel free to put those in the comment section below as well. Thank you.